Jason Roberts from Ultimate Offshore. I'm going to do a demonstration of the Norton abrasive disc compared to the original, most commonly used Rex cut aluminum grinding discs. We've been using these for about 12 years with no substitute, nothing else available. Norton Rep came by and brought us one of these Vortex Rapid Finish discs just to try it. We tried it and it exceeded these by far. So I'm going to do a demonstration on this is a Rex cut aluminum grinding wheel on this, just to address this weld before powder coating and show you the difference of the finish when we're done. About a little 6-inch long section of, if you get up close you can see, and you can, the coarseness of that finish. That's got to be redressed with a second application, a different kind of disc to smooth that out, or even a DA. I'm going to do a separate area just down from this one using the Vortex Rapid Finish by Norton and show you the speed first of all, but I can actually knock this down in one application, one wheel, and go straight into finished product. Now that's perfectly smooth. I don't have to treat that anymore. I can actually go over this whole perimeter and go straight into the powder coat booth with that. Well, this, on either hand, I have to grab something else and knock this all down. Saves a lot of time, and it's a lot quieter too, which a lot of people that don't happen to have earmuffs handy, this will save your ears quite a bit. It also has a 3-inch to put on your little air grinders. Does a great job, lasts quite a while too. It's got a nice soft touch to it, so you can't get too aggressive. It doesn't bite, doesn't grab chunks out, and a lot easier to finish out your work. It surprised me.